is the parang ginagawa lang niyang tiki? Anong tiki? And so yeah, makikita nyo later kung saan Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Rhaze. Today, I will be doing finally my updated eyebrow routine. Some of you guys have been requesting for this video, so here it is finally. The eyebrow product that I have been using a lot lately is the BYS Brow Definition Kit. I got this from my Glamour box, and ever since I got this, I have been using this non-stop. Intuit Eyebrow Kit used to be my all-time favorite, but napalitan na siya nito. I just want to share something about this product. It is super pigmented, you guys. If you're used to the Intuit one, medyo masyashock ka kapag ginamit mo to, as in super pigmented niya. And then also nagkaka-fallouts din siya. So yeah, sa mga gustong bumili nito, just be careful. Make sure na as in lightly tap lang talaga the brush on the product. Tapos tap off the excess as well para hindi ka magkaroon ng ganun kadaming fallouts kapag nilalagay mo na yung product sa eyebrows mo. Okay, so ganito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang tatlong kulay. It has the darkest brown, medium brown, at saka the lightest brown. It also has a wax in here. To be honest with you guys, hindi ko ginagamit yung wax. I just don't see the point of it. Parang ginagawa lang niyang sticky, tacky yung eyebrows ko. I don't think it helps at all longevity-wise kasi itong eyebrow powder na to, long-lasting naman siya even without the wax. So I do not feel the need to put on the wax. It's just a lot of work to put on the wax. Plus, I find it kind of hard for the eyebrow product to blend kapag ginagamit ko yung wax. And then, as I mentioned earlier, super pigmented niya. With the wax, as in sobra, yung color payoff niya, hindi ko na alam. To the highest level na kapag may wax. Kasi parang nagiging more pigmented siya with the wax. Pero yeah, it's up to you if you want to use the wax. But me, personally, I do not use the wax at all. Ang ginagamit ko lang dito is the darkest shade, the darkest brown shade, and then the lightest brown. So, makikita nyo later kung saan ko siya ginagamit and how I use it. Yung medium brown, as in super minsan ko lang siya ginagamit. Kasi with this, madali lang naman siyang i-blend. Even the lightest brown and the darkest brown, kapag blend ko siya sa gitna, parang nagiging medium brown na rin siya. So, I do not feel the need to use the medium brown at all. It comes with a brush as well, but, ooh, I dropped it. I do not like it at all. For me, it's way too small. Tapos, double-ended pa siya. Siguro kapag dinalawa na lang nila ito, like dalawang separate na brushes na maliliit, that would work. It's just so hard to work with this really tiny brush. Tapos, double-ended pa siya. And actually, nasira na siya. And hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit at all. Nagamit ko lang siya nung first few days na I started using this. Pero that's it. Tapos nasira na siya ng bonggang-bongga. So the brush is a complete miss. Pero yeah, okay lang naman kasi meron naman akong brush na ginagamit ko talaga for my brows, which you will see later. And by the way, I did film this makeup look. This is my Valentine's makeup look, something like that. Watch out for the makeup look video. Anyway, I will go ahead and show you guys how I fill in my brows. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm starting off with the darkest color and I make sure na tinatap off ko yung excess. Kasi nga sabi ko kanina, bonggang-bonggang may fallouts itong eyebrow powder na to. Pagkatapos niyan, I start from the arch of my brow to the tip. Hindi ko ma-explain kung paano ko hinahawakan yung brush, but this is how I hold my brush kapag dito sa area ng brows ko ako nag-fill. Kasi here, hindi ko naman talaga kailangan ng light hand, so okay lang na ganyan yung pagkahawak ko. And then, I start filling in this part right here. Hindi muna yung inner corner kasi I will be using a different shade for that later. And then after that, I go ahead and fill in the inner corner of my eyebrows. So as you guys can see here, iba na yung pagkahawak ko ng brush. Medyo nasa tip na ako ng brush na kahawak kasi I don't need that much pressure on this part of my brows right here, if that even makes sense. Parang a light hand lang yung kailangan ko dito sa part na to. So I always make sure na ganyan yung pagkahawak ko sa brush ko. And it works for me great naman, that trick. And then that's it for filling in the brows. I now use my spoolie. This one is from Menow. Yeah, so I am just brushing off my entire eyebrows. But I do concentrate on the inner corners para hindi siya ganun ka-harsh tingnan. I'm very particular when it comes to my inner corners, not looking like too harsh. Para sa akin, kailangang maging mas lighter talaga tingnan yung inner corner thinner compared sa arch and sa tip ng brows. I don't know, I just like the way that looks on me. And then this next step, I don't really do every time na nagfi-fill in ako ng brows ko. Just when I feel fancy, like today, kasi I actually filmed a makeup tutorial right after doing my brows. I decided to show you this step because it actually really helps makes your brows look va-va-voom naman. So I just take a concealer and then a really precise eyeshadow brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics, yung pink polka set ko na I got from Pretty Angel shop. And then I just outline my eyebrows, yung upper at saka lower part, I mean outside the eyebrows, with the concealer, and then blend it in, and that's basically it for this video. Very easy, as in sobrang dali lang. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!